Hi all, as you all know, IELTS have 4 different modules. They are writing, reading, listening and speaking. Today I am going to give you an introduction to writing module. The allocated time for writing is 1 hour. That is, we can divide the time into 2. One for task 1 and task 2. Then let's get into task 1. The allocated time for task 1 is 20 minutes. In task 1, the questions will be like in a demonstration of pictures such as line graph, bar chart, pie chart, table chart, process diagram. In that demonstration, they will give you or they will provide you some information. You need to make the answers regarding that information. Then look into the structure of writing task 1. That is, first you need to write an introduction. In introduction, you need to paraphrase the question. The next is overview. In overview, you need to write the relevant information or general trend. Only just need to mention 2 or 3. The next is body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. In these two sections, you are going to give a brief explanation about the question. In here, you are going to write the brief description, and this is all about task 1. Then let's get into task 2. Task 2 is basically essay. There are different types of essay questions are there, and the time is 40 minutes, and also the weightage is more for task 2, so you need to give much more importance for task 2. The essays such as opinion essay, agree or disagree are the sub questions that you are going to get in opinion essay. The next is discussion essay. In discussion essay, they will have a contradictory view and you need to discuss both view. Then also you need to give your own opinion. The next is advantage and disadvantage. The next is cause, problem, solution essay, and last one is direct essay. These are the types of essay that you are going to get in task 2. Then let's look into the structure of task 2. That is, first you need to write introduction. In introduction, you need to do paraphrasing as same as task 1. You need to paraphrase the question. Along with paraphrasing statement, you need to write a thesis. In thesis, you are going to mention what all the things that you are going to do in that essay. Thesis is very much important and it is vary from different essays. The next is body paragraph 1, then body paragraph 2, and last is conclusion. In body paragraph 1, you are going to write topic sentence along with the explanation, and also you should mention example. You can write 2 points. In body paragraph 2 also, you need to give more points along with the explanation and also the examples. At last, you should write conclusion. You need to summarize the information that you already mentioned in body para 1 and 2. Never write a conclusion out of the topic. This is the structure of writing task 2, and this is all about writing.
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.